clone transition video. In this video, I am going to show you on how to edit your videos, and you can do slow-mo, clone transition, anything you want. You can edit them and make them look baboosh. Now let's move on to the video. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to record your video on Musical.ly or Video Star, or like if you're doing slow-mo, you can go to camera. I already did mine, so now I'm going to go to Video Star, and I'm going to click the plus. I'm going to click edit video, and I'm going to scroll all the way down. Then I'm going to click the video that I want, and then I'm going to click make video. Then I want to stop it to where I feel like I want to put the effects, and I'm going to click edit, and I'm going to put split screen. And when you split the screen, it's mostly where like you have two parts. So the part that you don't want the transition to go, and the part that you do want it. So I want mine right there. And then after you split your screen 3 times, you're going to click new, you're going to click re-effect clip. And then they have like all these choices that you can put. So I'm gonna put this one. And you can either put it faster or slower. I'm gonna put mine a bit more faster. And then this is for the color, but I think my color's fine. Then I'm going to click re-effect.
They don't. I mean, of course they don't. Because as long as I say the right thing and I act the right way, they're happy. Because that means that they cured me, right?
And then it's gonna click profession.
They don't. I mean, of course they don't. Because as long as I say.
And then you're just gonna click exit, and you already have the video. So now you're going to click right here, and you're going to click send to camera roll, and that's it.
I'm not better. Okay, I'm not better. And I keep waiting for someone to figure that out. And they don't. I mean, of course they don't. Because as long as I say the right thing and I act the right way, they're happy. Because that means that they cured me, right?
And then after you have your video, you just want to send it to Musical.ly. I'm pretty sure all of you guys know how to do that. And then you just click the post button. So do not forget to follow me on Musical.ly, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram. Also comment down below if you think this video was helpful. Please, please, please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and we'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Go.